It's just trying to keep everything good. That's good. So, where's everybody else? Oh, they're okay. They just need a little bit of time to themselves. And besides, they're doing their jobs too. Yeah, that's good. So, Captain Cuffs, do you see anything? Nope, everything's really quiet. That's good. I hope everything continues to stay this way. What was that? I'm sure it was nothing. Whoa! Did you hear that? I'm sure everything's fine. They're just working on the special ladder for the truck. Did you hear that? No, I didn't. It's weird. Alright, carry on. Hey, Sprinkle, come over here for a second. Whoa. Sprinkle, come over here. What is it, Sparky? Was the fire truck supposed to smoke like that? It does that every once in a while. It does? Yeah. Like how often? Well, if it's smoking more than once, then that's not good. Now, that's definitely not good. Well, I need to fix it. What happened to you, Bob? Oh, just... doggone music truck. I don't like that thing. Hey! Make sure that the fire truck does not smoke like that. Uh-oh. Ouch! Uh-oh. That was not good. That did not sound good. Potato Head, you idiot! I just... sorry guys. I was just ouch! Ow! Yeah. Very funny. Now get back to your station before I have to rough you up. Alright, alright. You made your point. Oh! Uh-oh. Well, I'm glad everything's going so well. We haven't had any problems. It's just, you know, one of those quiet days. That's what I like. And everything's really quiet. Too quiet if you ask me. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Hey, Jim! What is it, Buzz Lightyear? I'm kind of busy right now. I need to talk to you about something. Well, can it wait? I mean, we just got talking about ourselves. No, it can't wait. Please? Please? Wow! Wow! Oh, that was weird. Is everybody okay? Is everybody okay? Is everybody... Whoa! That was weird. Man, I heard trampolina is very unstable, but I wasn't prepared for this. I'm sure it was nothing. It was just one little tremor. Yeah, well, one little tremor could cause some major problems. We better be careful. We don't want to cause anything to happen. I don't like this. I don't like this one bit. Ah! That was not cool. Jackhammer? Yes? We need to use your telescope. Do you see anything?
Wait. Go back. Go back. To the left, I think. Keep going, keep going. Engine Bob looks okay. There. Yeah, everything looks okay.
Okay. Everything's back to normal. We just have to be a little bit more careful here. Like how? I don't know. Just trying to be careful here. Things are not what they seem. Things are definitely not what they seem. How so? Whoa! Does that answer your question? Ah! Oh. Stop it! No. 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 Ow! I can't see! That was weird. Yeah, and too weird if you ask me. But get out of here! Ouch! Ah! Oops. Yeah, I should say, whoops. Doggy! Ouch! Ah! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh? What? Uh-oh. Big uh-oh! Whoa! Ah! Ouch! Big uh-oh. And I don't like big uh-oh. 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 Okay. Don't panic. Don't panic, we'll think of something. What? What are you gonna think of? I don't know. Hey James, doesn't this remind you of the earthquake of '69? Oh, don't bring that up, Sparky. Do not bring that up. I mean, that was the most horrifying earthquake that's ever happened. Well, that was a size 2. I think, no, the last earthquake was like a size 2. Whoa, 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 whoa. But this is not... I don't like this. I don't like this one bit. HQ, this is Billy Blaze. You copy? Yeah, go ahead, Billy. Listen, we need some backup down here at Trampolina. I think we got a big size HQ? Yeah, Billy Blaze, you broke up there. I said, I think we got a big size 3! Size 3? That's not normal. Yeah, tell us about it. Yeah, but, what do we do, over? Hold on. Guys, I think... Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Uh-oh. Ah! Guys. Guys. Take cover! Ow! Oh! Oh, that does it! I hate when this thing keeps getting me off guard. Yeah, well, how long is this going to last? Well, I don't know. First it was earthquake, and now, what comes after that? Fire, I think. Oh boy! Oh boy! here to the rescue! Ouch! Oh! Everything's okay. That was really close. Too close if you ask me. Alright, let's get the fire truck up. Woo! Woo! Uh-oh. Not again! Not good! Oh! Whoa! I think everything's okay. The rescue vehicle's upside down! Whoa! Okay, okay. Fine. That was too close, if you ask me. Hold it, wait a minute. Isn't there such a thing as aftershocks? I think we just went through 2 of them. No, I think that was the big earthquake right there. And I think that there's going to be an aftershock. Are you sure? I'm positive. I wouldn't be wrong about this type of stuff if I knew about seismology. You know about seismology? Yeah, I do. And according to that, that was only the first phase of the earthquake. The aftershocks are going to be a whole lot worse. Worse? What do you mean by worse? Trust me, you don't want to know. What's going on? That's the beginning of the aftershocks. Little bounces like this, the ground is totally unstable here. Any minute now, we're going to feel the aftermath of the aftershock. Like how? Trust me, you don't want to know. Everybody alright? Yeah, that was only aftershock 1. How many more aftershocks are there? There's only 3, but the 3 are going to be very, very bad. And don't ask how bad, because you do not want to know. Ow! Okay, I've had enough aftershocks. No, I miscalculated there. 2 more. What? Yeah. Alright. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Here comes the 3rd one! Okay, maybe I was wrong on that one. That was just a little trick. Here's the aftermath. I don't like the looks of this. I definitely do not like the looks of this. What do you mean? Everything's fine. Yeah, fine for right now. But just wait until later on. We got a special device on our camera now called Anti-Shock Warrior. This way, it'll keep the camera from piling up on us. Because we couldn't see much of anything with the camera piling up. How do you know that that's not going to pile up? Well, judging by the seismomonitor, we'll get to test it right about oh boy. Oh boy. Guys. Yeah. Hopefully the anti-shark warriors stay. Well, it looks like the anti-shark warrior is doing a pretty good job. Turkey!
All right.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be good. Billy! 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 No! No! Yes! This is gonna be an Academy Award winner! That was close. No! 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 Uh-oh! What? Everything's Billy, we're about to be brain concussions ourselves! Look out! Oh! Hey, lasers! Oh, with this. Oh. Well, it's kind of slow. Yeah, they usually start out very slow. Oh no, not again! Billy? Billy? What? We're in trouble. Whoa, whoa! Rawr! Billy, this is Bob. What's going on out there? Bob, we have a big problem out here. What's the problem? Earthquake is set in. I told you to get out of there by 12 o'clock. Well, we forgot to set our clocks. You what? Yeah, now we're stuck in the middle of a big earthquake. Get out of there. Get out of there, guys. You hear me? Whoa, whoa. Owie! Get me out of here! Ah!